welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my newly purchased bag from Gucci. It is the Gigi Marmont Matelasse shoulder bag. So here is the paper bag. It's big. The paper bag is big and the back is big as well. The SA is so nice to me, and she gave me a big box. We went to Gucci boutique, Gucci store in Fashion Valley here in San Diego. There's a long line, not really that long, but we waited for like probably 10 or 15 minutes before we can get into the store. When you get in, you have to check your temperature, and they're so generous. If you don't have any mask, they're gonna give you a mask, surgical mask, yeah, a face mask. The SA that was assigned to me, she was so nice. She's really friendly. If you have a lot of questions, she'll answer very nicely, and she's really polite and she's really nice. We also went ahead and look around for the belts, and this one is really gorgeous. I also have to check all the shoes for my friend. Anyway, so back to the bag. Help me unbox this. So here's the bag. Actually, this is a gift, a birthday gift from my husband. I'm so excited. This is my first Gucci. Here. So nice. I just remove all the wrappings. Okay, so the different here is the shoulder strap. This one is different, so you just have to put it inside. Okay, I just put one, what do you call this, slot, and what you're gonna do is just snap it like that. Like in Louis Vuitton, it's like a belt, so you just have to lock it like a belt, but this one, it's a different one. Okay, I'm gonna show you the strap of my Speedy bandolier. So this one is like the old style belt, so it has a lock like this, and it has a metal like this, but the strap of this Gigi Marmont Matelasse is just simple as this one. I think I like this much better because there's not a lot of metal around in this area, just this one. Probably this would be the lock, so I think this one is much better. The strap of this Gigi Marmont Matelasse, the other end has like a gold chain on both ends, and the zipper, it has a long leather, so whenever you're gonna open, you just hold it in this. And one thing that I don't like in this bag is how the zipper sound, and it's kind of a little hard to open, as you can hear. But let me get my Speedy. So here's the Speedy. So when you open the zipper, it's really nice. So it's not that hard compared to Gucci. Okay, let's go back to Gigi Marmont Matelasse. Small size, and this is all leather with brass double G design right here. So this is antique gold tone hardware, and at the back it has also the logo of double G at the back. So there's two style that you can wear this one and this one. Let's see the inside. So it is heavily stuffed. I think it's good, so you can retain the shape of the bag. Okay, so what I have here is the Gucci. There's another one here, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So this bag is made in Italy. So according to the sales lady or the sales associate or SA, they said that all their bags are made internationally. They don't have any factory here in United States, unlike Louis Vuitton. Some bags are made from USA, like my bag, it's already made in USA, but Gucci is made from Europe. And this one is made from Italy. So the inside is microfiber suede finish. According to the SA, it's much better. It's nicer to have interior like this. So when you have like liquid inside, like if you have a perfume or like a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss, it won't stain your bag. According to her, I haven't experienced that because this is my first Gucci. So we'll see. I forgot to tell you, my bag, as you can see, it's really obvious. It's a black leather. They have a lot of colors, but I preferred black to make it a little, you know, it will go anything with your clothes. It looks like classic, and the pattern here is a chevron, and it looks like a quilted appearance. So it's not flat. This one is embossed. As you can see, it's like that. So this one it's flat. It doesn't have any design, and this one is a chevron style, quilted style. And the back, it's also like that. The size of this bag is small, and the height is 5 inches, and the width is 9.5, and the dimension is 3 inches. It has an open pocket inside, just one. It doesn't have zipper, just like that, and it's big. The bag weighs less than a pound, so 0.86 pounds, so approximately 0.39 kilograms. So it's not that heavy. The strap is adjustable. The strap size is 23.5 inches. You can wear it crossbody as well. As I said earlier, the strap or the zipper puller has a big leather like that, so you can easily hold it when you close it and open the zipper. Okay, so I'm gonna do Mudshot of the GG Marmont. And this is the receipt. So this bag is really new, so I haven't wore it. So I cannot give you a definite feel of wearing it. So I don't know the pros and cons right now. So definitely I will update you in the next video about the pros and cons and what's gonna fit inside and if I'm going to love this bag. But by the looks and by the size, I will definitely love it. I'm gonna give you an update with this. Alright, so that's it for today, and I hope you like my video. So please, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Again, BeyPel, this channel, and BeyPel Vlogs, my other channel, and My Kitchen, My Place, my other cooking channel. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay well, take care of yourself and each other. Bye!